mean cotter pins and ball joints, baby? What do you mean cotter pins and ball joints? You don't need those. Just tighten that fucker.
I did.
So you don't need one.
You making a video?
I was in the middle of making a video.
I'm sorry.
It's all good. I think I'm just gonna run it. Like, it doesn't fucking matter.
Fair.
This is Randy.
Hello.
Hey Randy, what's your favorite part about being a technician?
Let's see. None of it.
Let's fucking turn this bitch. Can I turn this bitch around? No, it won't let me turn it around right now.
I don't think any of it.
You don't like any of it?
I mean, sometimes it's fun.
Right? Sometimes it's a good time.
Sometimes it is a fun time, but it sucks when you get the bullshit complaints.
Yeah.
Ever since you did my brakes, my wipers don't work.
Yeah, that's part of life. So, back to what we were doing here. Crank no starts. I spray brake clean down it. See if she fires up. That tells you got spark, timing, and compression if we run on brake clean. It deletes everything but fuel. You just got to worry about injector pulse and if you're getting fuel pressure to the rail. So I spray brake clean down it. If it starts, you know, the motor's relatively fine. The spark's relatively fine. That's because it runs on brake clean. Doesn't mean it run good on gas, but it usually start. So if you got a crank no start, pretty much narrows it down to fuel issue. If I spray brake clean down it, nothing happens. I'm instantly going to assume, if I'm not getting the smell of like raw fuel that running through the cat and stuff like that, I'm going to assume that it's got something to do with communications with the engine computer or cam cranksync, where it's just turning everything off. After that, you know, scan codes, see if you got communication with PCM, so you got fault codes for camera crank sensors, stuff like that. If I am getting that fuel smell, we know we're out of spark on... The spark's not working. On today's modern vehicles, there's not really anything that's going to kill spark to an engine. Just spark. I mean, some anti-thefts did, like back in the day, but this would be something more like if you have no spark, you're going to be looking at like distributors, coils, stuff like that. Just go down your normal diagnostic tree. If you have fuels and injector pulse and you has sparks and she doesn't run at all, go to timing. You're looking at a base engine concern. But that's it. That's how I would go about diagnosing a crank no start. I am fucking up these daily diags. I'm not doing them daily. I gotta name it something else or get better at it, but I'm working on it. That was Randy. I'm Austin. Thanks for checking out HENTHORN's Performance.